Welcome to PromptHR tutorials. You can use PromptHR on Android devices also. In this video, I will show you how to install mobile app, and I will also explain how to uninstall mobile app from device. Please note, uninstalling or reinstalling process will not impact your data. For installing mobile app on your mobile or Android device, please follow these steps. First of all, find Google Play Store. Then search PromptHR using search box as given above. Choose your version of PromptHR mobile app. Generally, you will see the PromptHR followed by your company name. Select it. Tap on Install button. System may ask you to confirm your installation. So if it prompts, tap on Accept button. After accepting, you will see installation has been started. You will see PromptHR icon once installation is completed. Now you can use PromptHR mobile app using your login credentials. So this was the process for the installation of the mobile app. Now I'm going to show you how to install the mobile app from your Android device. So follow these steps. Go to settings, scroll to application manager. That is the option as given in the settings. And all the installed apps are listed here. Scroll to PromptHR and tap on it. Then after tap on install, system may ask you to confirm your uninstallation. If it prompts, tap on uninstall or accept button. Now uninstalling is under process. Once installation has been completed, you will see PromptHR icon and application has been removed from your Android device. Thank you. Thanks for watching.